Hey everybody, I just finished building this brand new app. It's called Network Body, and what it does, whenever you go to any kind of event, I go to a lot of networking events. I always get those business cards that I really don't do anything with them. So I decided to create this brand new app where you take a photo and AI will go and enrich the data, everything about the company. It will start collecting reviews. It will start getting the CEO of the company, try to get their email, their phone number, and starts really, really enriching any kind of data when it comes to any kind of business card, whatever information that is missing. And I find out a lot of information that is not on the card, like reviews, anything about the company, the employees. So whatever this public information is about on that company on Instagram, on LinkedIn, or Facebook, it will go out and do the research, summarize it, okay, and then it will start giving me any kind of ideas to cold message them, to give a cold email like an icebreaker. So let me show you what's inside this app. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to head over to networkbody.io right in here. And we're going to sign in or sign up right in here. There's multiple ways. I think no matter which button you click, it will take you to the sign in page that looks just like this. Obviously, you're going to have to either create an account using Google. Google I would recommend, or you could just sign up using your email and a password, and then you're going to have to verify with your email. Okay, and then you're going to sign in. So let's create a Gmail account right in here. Okay, so now we're logged in. We get 5 scans absolutely free. There's no credit card required. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump on my phone so I could show you, because this app is mostly for the phone base. It works best for the phone, but you obviously have an account that you could just go in and use it on any desktop, going to networkbody.io. So I'll see you in a second on my phone. All right, so I'm logged in on my phone on the app. So let's scan our first business card. Let's see how we could enrich this data with a simple business card. Let's see what kind of work AI could do. Use the card, click proceed, and let's start scraping the data. Let's start enriching the data. Let's see what happens. Let's see what kind of reviews they have. Let's see if there's any other emails. So we basically have an email, phone number. We know it's a licensed electrician, Jimmy. It's a basic card. So let's see how much data we could get out of it besides just whatever is on the card. And you'll see how cool it is, because we could start once it's enriches, we could start text messaging them with the icebreaker, emailing them with the icebreaker, and I'll show you how to even personalize those icebreakers through the text messaging. So let's see what, oh, sorry. Forgot I gotta go through my phone. Okay, here we go. So we got the email that was on the card. The phone number was on the card. Now we have the summary of the company. Okay, you could see that it's family owned. It's in New York City. And now we could actually send a text message. Hopefully that's a cell phone number. So what else we got? We could send an email template. Ready to start emailing to see if we could start a conversation. Conversation starter, basically, if you don't know what to say to the person right at the networking event or just having a conversation, they will literally, once a few minutes, it'll help you create a conversation just like what you see on the phone. So we found the website that you could kind of click on it. That was not on the card. So that's the website. Hopefully that has to do. It found it's a small business when it was started. 1914. That cannot be true. Probably the grandfather started. What else we got? We don't even have that. We don't have a social profile on that. We do have reviews. Okay, you go on, it scraped Google My Business. It found some reviews. Obviously, the reviews look good. Oh, look, it's 161 reviews. Again, I think that's the company. Hopefully, and it also found some photos of the business. Let's see. Yeah, that looks like electric. It's ugly photos. I don't know why would somebody post that, but we got some photos of the business. Those are oh my God, those are ugly photos. Obviously, they look at electrical tools, but that's the information that we got just from scraping the card. So we again, you gotta always double check if that's the business, and also that's on the phone. So let's go back to the desktop and show you some other features of the app. All right, so we're back inside the app. So you could see how powerful these features could be, whether it's B2C. Let's say if somebody gives you a card, if it's a plumber, you could literally just scan it and the app will go out and enrich the data, research the reviews, see if you even want to work with that plumber, electrician, or the contractor based on their profiles, how quickly it could enrich, and you'll have obviously much bigger knowledge and the overview of the company or the person that you're working with. And if it's B2B, you could definitely see the power, how you could start see if that's the right fit for the person to work with, and you could start doing outreach right away from your phone or your desktop app. So let's go back. So again, this is the same thing that we saw on the phone. I didn't cherry pick. I literally just grabbed a card. I could have cherry picked and it would have definitely give you more social profiles if they have it. Obviously in the LinkedIn profile would be super helpful. Obviously it doesn't look like this company has it. It's more B2B, so definitely Google My Business more goes with what this company does. All right, so let's go back. Let me just show you. We're going to go to the settings page. If you B2B, and what you could do, you could start putting what you actually do to personalize your outreach message. With the just the icebreaker, with the cold text messaging on email, and it will change the way your message will look once you do the outreach based on your personalization, like what is your nickname. You don't, obviously this is all optional. Okay, occupation, if you're a website designer, if you maybe another contractor, I mean whatever. Okay, company name, and obviously once you save it, and you could have professional communication, friendly, casual, and it will start updating the outreach. That's going to be back. Let's go back right in here in the email. Send the email and it will completely change, okay, how the email outlook will be. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to settings, and what we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect our GoHighLevel integration. That's one of my best CRM systems. So let me show you how, if you have GoHighLevel, now would be the best time to sign up for one. Okay, so we're inside my GoHighLevel account. You can see at iLive, obviously this is white labeled. So we're in the Launchpad. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to settings. Okay, and we're gonna grab right here this API key. We're gonna go back to network body, and we're gonna set it up. We're gonna paste it right in here. Now, the way you're gonna get the location ID, I'm gonna zoom in, no worries. I'm gonna need it right in here, in between location and slash, and that would be your location ID. We're gonna copy that, go back to the app. Okay, we're gonna connect, and voila! Now you connected to the GoHighLevel account. If you don't have GoHighLevel account, I'm gonna paste it right at the bottom. Just email me, and we get you started with the GoHighLevel account. So what's gonna happen right after that? Anytime you scan a card, I'll show you how powerful this is gonna be. You're gonna go back, and it's gonna go right into your contacts as well. Right, so let's go back. Let's click on contacts. So every time you're gonna, obviously it's whatever card I scan is not going to come up. But what's going to happen, your name, the information of the business card will pop up here. Again, this is mostly for B2B clients. And now you could, if anybody doesn't know about the GoHighLevel, you could obviously tag them, okay? And you could create different automations. All right, so let me show you how powerful GoHighLevel automations could be. So basically, when the contacts, you scan the card, you could go right into this automation, and you could start sending them nurturing sequences through text messaging, through emails, start sending them different offers. Again, whether you want to do it just by typing on your phone, or this could do it on autopilot, sending them messages. Again, wait a day or two. You could set up whatever the way you like it, and you could change the messaging right in here. See how powerful this is? Change the text messaging, text the email, and then you'll have the logic whether the person replied or didn't reply. If it didn't reply, you're going to continue sending them different nurturing messages. If the person reply, it will stop, and then obviously the contact will go into the conversation, which is going to be right in here. Okay, any conversation, you click this conversation tab, and you could start having a conversation with your clients. Very, very powerful. Hopefully you could see the power of this app and what it could do for your business. Honestly, I'm not going to go to any networking event without using my app. Hopefully you're going to start using it too, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.